friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Sapphire Radeon RX 7600 Party Animals GPU. So friends, Sapphire has launched a special edition of their Radeon RX 7600 graphics card inspired by upcoming brawler game party animals, and the game feature cute and furry creators fighting each other in various modes. The game will be released on 20th September, and friend, the card is based on Navi 33 GPU which has a 2048 cores and 8 GB of GDDR6 memory, and it is not a high-end card but it can handle games like party animals with ease, and the game's minimum requirement are a GeForce GTX 1060 or a Radeon RX 580 with 4 GB memory, and RX 7600 has more power and double the memory, and the card has custom design with party animals logo and orange shroud and backplate. It also has a higher clocks than the reference model with 2355 MHz for the game clock and 2755 MHz for the push clock, and this gives the card a 4 to 5% overclock. And friend, if I talk about pricing, the card is priced at $300 USD, and but it is currently out of stock. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.